In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up WooCommerce. Keeping a reliable backup of your WooCommerce site is one of the safest ways to protect your store's products, orders, settings, and design before you make changes or run updates. We'll do this using a popular WordPress plugin, and I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along with confidence. Start by opening your WordPress website and heading to your dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Plugins. This is where WordPress lets you add tools that extend your site's functionality, including backup tools. Once you're in Plugins, go to Add New so you can search the plugin directory. In the search box, type All-in-One WP Migration. This is the plugin we'll use to create a full backup in just a couple of clicks. When it appears in the results, select it, then click Install, and once that finishes, click Activate. Installing adds the tool to your site. Activating turns it on so you can use it right away. After activation, look over to the left-hand sidebar in your dashboard. You'll now see a new menu item labeled All-in-One WP Migration. That's your backup tool. Click it and then choose Backups. This section is where all backups created with this plugin will be listed and stored for easy access. Now, click Create Backup. The plugin will begin packaging your site, including the database and files, into a single backup. Depending on your site's size and your hosting speed, this may take a moment. While it runs, avoid closing the browser tab. When it's finished, you'll see the new backup appear right in the list, clearly marked with the date and time so you can identify it later. That's it. You've created a backup of your WooCommerce site using All-in-One WP Migration. A few quick tips to keep in mind as best practices. Make a backup before installing new plugins, updating themes, or applying major changes. Keep an eye on your hosting storage so you don't run out of space. And consider naming or noting why you created a backup so you can recognize it at a glance. If you ever need to revisit your backups, just return to the same backups page from the plugins menu. With this simple routine, you're adding a crucial layer of protection to your business. Thanks for following along, and if this was helpful, go ahead and repeat the process anytime you're about to make changes to your WooCommerce store.